Go to the delinquent reports. I select that layout, and then from there I'm going to, what we use this for is to see which of our units are behind. We could get in legal trouble for that. So we always have to be sure we're on top of them. I go to the inspection delinquencies. I can select all, which is what we always do. Or I could select AEDs, or I could, well, I can't select service specialist. Doesn't look like that's lit up. So I am not going to press all just because it will take a long time. I'll just select AEDs, and we'll get all the delinquent AEDs. These are AEDs that should have been inspected by now. I want to run a report by the service specialist. You can see there's a whole list of service specialists here. I want to run a report by service specialist, so I have to go up to find. And then from there I can drop down. You can see I can check by site, account number, and other things, but I really want to use the service specialist. I'm going to check Benny Black. And then I have to go up to perform find. There is not an enter button for this, so you have to go up and select perform find. Now I can see Benny's issues. And now I need to get this information to Benny. So the best way for me to do that is to come up to File. Well, there's a couple ways I can do it. Print. I'm going to print it as a PDF. I can't do that. Hold on. Hold on one second. What I can do on the table view, so see that blue button right there called table view, I can then save it as a PDF. So save send record as a PDF. And then I will save it as Benny's delinquent report. You know how to do it from there. So then I click save. I'm actually not going to save it. That's the end of the delinquent report.